preschool friends, it's Mrs. Kuhnert here. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to make giant bubbles, since that has been one of our favorite activities that we've been doing at Lunch Bunch, and sometimes I've done it with some of the other classes as well. So come over here, I'll show you how to make it. First thing we need is Dawn dish soap. You want a good brand. Dawn Platinum is actually most recommended. I bought this at Costco. I think the Dollar Tree actually sells the same quality dish soap, Dawn Platinum. But Dawn regular is an okay substitute. And you want 24 ounces. One tablespoon of guar gum. This can be found in the gluten-free aisle usually. This is Bob's Red Mill. You can order it online as well. Mix together. Okay, now I'm going to add 3 gallons of water to my bucket. All right, the last thing you need to do is add 3 heaping tablespoons of baking powder. And you just want to carefully mix that up. All right, we've carefully mixed our bubble solution. And now I'm going to take this special wand I made for making giant bubbles, and the kids have all used these. It's just 2 simple dowel rods or sticks. You can use sticks at home if you don't have anything like that. I basically made a triangle that I weighted down with just something in our garage. A nut or a bolt works very well. Dip it in.
Cool.
All right, I have my helper. This is my son Charlie. He's going to do it. And the trick that I always remind you guys when we are playing with these outside is that no stirring, because stirring makes the bubbles not work as well.